bicycle crunches. Okay, great exercise for pretty much your entire core. It's going to be upper, obliques, lower, mid. So I will say this is more of like a mind to muscle connection. People kind of mistake this for going like fast and exercises go quick on, but you really want to take your time and keep a good mind to muscle connection because it's very easy to get off rhythm here. Okay. All right. So let's go through it. All right. So all we're going to do here is start by simply laying flat on your back. And all we're going to do now is take our hands behind the head and wrap them, interlock your fingers right there. Next, we want to bring our knees parallel with the body right here, okay? So all we're going to be doing is let's start by taking my left elbow to the right knee, okay? So I'll go here. So I'm taking my upper half into that knee and I'm extending this alternate leg, all right? So next side, alternate. Just like that. All right. So take your time. Don't rush those.